Good afternoon, everybody. It's the Friday after Christmas, 2018, and I'm over here at Orr Park in Montevallo, Alabama, my hometown. We've had tremendous amount of rain the last 2 days. They had predicted 2 to 3 inches, but I'm guessing that it was much more than that. I'm currently down here at Orr Park to look at the flooding. Extreme flooding. You can see across the way where I'm pointing at, up at the library, and the road is barricaded off so cars won't try to come down here. Right at the bottom of the hill, that's where the water is. It's totally engulfed both sides of the park. The baseball field across the way over there on the city side is totally flooded. You can't even walk to the park. There's no way you can walk to the park. I tried. I got on my bike and came over here across on the other side of the creek, the Highway 25 side of the creek and the park, to take a few videos and pictures. Right there is the main entrance to the park, the footbridge. Water has totally engulfed it, topped the bridge. It's crazy how much water is in this creek. You can see here, right there is where the concrete pathway right by the creek bank is, and right up here is how far the water has risen, all the way up to the band stage platform. I'll make a panoramic view. Here's the child's playground, and look how far the water has gotten up. Crazy. I'm on the northern end of the park, near the library and the elementary school. Totally crazy how high the water is. It's fallen a little bit. You can see right here the high water mark, but I don't know, that could be from wave action or something. I'm pretty sure the water will rise more. This is Friday afternoon. Just crazy how high this water is. I'll check back in with you later. Be safe out there and don't drive over a flooded road.